Simmons here, and I am with my very good friend, Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP.
Yeah!
He talks to people. He's a great coach. He helps people understand how to talk to people and get deals done all over the phone. That's the key, right?
That's the key, yeah.
So,
well, having quality conversations with distressed property owners is the key. You do that, you can source deals forever and ever in any market. Yeah.
I asked Brent to jump on this video real quick. He's part of a local mastermind that we have here, part of the Go Giver Mastermind, and it's about, now we're up to over 50 wholesalers and fix and flip and hard money guys that are all local competitors in a lot of ways, but we all kind of innovate and get together. So I just want to see if you can talk about that for a minute.
Yeah, it's really unique. You know, I talk to a lot of people from around the country and they do not have this group. I mean, you talk to people in Dallas and LA and New York and Florida, they don't have any of this. Talk to them in Chicago, they definitely don't have it. Everybody's kind of competing, everybody's kind of keeping their little secrets to themselves. But you, because of your reputation, and this is true, this isn't just because you asked me on here, but because of his reputation as a coach, as a leader, as just somebody that's been in the industry for so long, done so many deals yourself, you pulled us all together, you know, and you convinced us all by giving us all the Go Giver book, which you know I love.
Yeah, you've given out.
I've given out, hundreds of them. But you really go with the key to success is providing value. And you brought everybody together so that we can provide value to each other, and not a single person in that group has gone down in the amount of money they've made. Everybody is excelling, everybody is doing amazing things because we share what's going on, and that's because you brought us all together.
Well, thanks. I think the key to this is having the abundance mentality. Yeah. Not worrying about, I want to keep this to myself all. And whenever we do that, whenever we share, not only that, but we're sharing our vulnerabilities, what's not working, what we need help with. Yeah. And I think that's where the magic happens. And this is what Napoleon Hill talks about, masterminds. And so I really think that this is the way for all of us to grow our business. Yeah. So.
Well, and I mean, you have every week, every month you have somebody that gets paid a lot of money for either coaching or in their business come in and teach in the group, and I think that that's just absolutely phenomenal. Not only just for us to be able to implement, but just to be around that. You grow by being around people doing way more than you know, and that's
be the dumbest guy in the room.
Yeah, well, that's me. No, no, I mean it really is, and you keep bringing in other people, really incredible people, and I think that it's just as long as you do have that abundance mindset, as long as you understand that it's about providing value and it's not about competition. Listen. There's too many properties out there that are in distress. This is a conveyor belt of opportunities. Stop fighting and competing, start collaborating, and I think you gave us the perfect platform to be able to do that because of your reputation. I mean, you called everybody up and got us all into the same room. I don't know if anybody else could do it.
Well, I think what's fun too is even though we have like 50 of the top, not only just wholesalers in Phoenix, I mean top competitors in the nation, we rarely run across the same deals. No. So we really do have an abundance mentality. So I think if we can take that, figure out how we can implement the mastermind mentality into our workspaces, we can all grow.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, and I think that if you're watching this and you're looking at Brandon's training or you're looking at his groups that he's putting together, I think that this, of course, obviously is a testimonial to say, it's absolutely worth it. I mean, this guy's 100% who he says he is, he's got that go-giver mentality. Not only that, he's got like a whole world of knowledge and experience to back it up. So, I mean, if you're looking for an incredible mentor, this is your guy. Don't hesitate. If you're on the fence about it, jump off the fence. You're going to be glad that you did. And you're going to send me a DM saying, Brent, thank you. But, yeah, thank you.
Thanks so much.